Hello there, and welcome to prompt number 18 from the 50 prompt challenge. Every week I take a prompt from this list and I use it as the focal point of a collage that I am making. The size of the collage that I am working on is a 3x5 index card. And the prompt for this week is a crossword or newspaper puzzle. If you would like to collage with me, you can download the 50 prompts list. They look like this. It's the little ticket, and you can cut them out and then use them in your collages or not. I'm just using the prompt and then writing them on my dividers in my little tin of a collection of collages. So we're looking for a crossword or newspaper puzzle. And did you realize that Trader Joe's has crossword puzzles in their little flyer, their fearless flyer, brochure, whatever you call it, for advertising for the month. So I got one of these and I pulled out the puzzle here, the crossword puzzle. And then what I also want to do is just pull out my little box and see what I can use from here. So let me move this out of the way. Okay, so here's my card. Now, what do I want to use from here? For sure I want to use a piece of the actual grid. I don't know if I want to use any of the clues, so let me just start with this. I don't know how much or how little I will use, but I will just start with a piece. Now, what can I add to this? I will start to see what is going to match with these little squares, this grid. That might be interesting. I like that this text has boundaries, it has lines, so it also kind of looks like it's being contained. So that to me looks like they go together. This is just a piece of dictionary. Not dictionary. Is it dictionary? No, it's not a dictionary, but it's just like words, how, spelling. I don't even know what this is. Where would this have come from? Just a list of words. Maybe difficult words to spell or something like that. So this might be good. I'm not quite sure yet. Now I need some patterns or something decorative. I already see that I have more of these that match with this. I think I already did this in another collage, so maybe I should stay away from using these. But what else do I have? I'm looking for some more like decorative papers just for the background. This is also decorative. What does this look like? Is this too much? Yeah, that's way too much. Too distracting. I don't want to use that. Green. That's interesting. There's green here, so I could possibly use the green. That's an idea. Look at that. Already looks like I've got something going on there. And let's see. Oh, did I want to use this? Yeah, perhaps. Okay. I like the idea of using those words, but I don't like this huge margin. Maybe I can cut it down more. It's kind of hard, but let's see if I can do it. I could use scissors, but I'd rather not. Okay, that's better. That is better. Do it again. Okay. How's that? That's looking good. I'm not sure about the placement of this Chinese text. Maybe I should try it here. Because this is kind of very busy and so is this. So I'm trying to like keep them a little bit more separate. Let me try again. Maybe this here. And then the green here. Let's try that. Okay. What else? I have these sitting out. These are interesting because there's yellow and green in here, which has also this yellow and green. Let me cut these out. These came from a order catalog for stamps. Okay. Palace of Fine Arts, will that work? Yes, I think it will. I think I like it more than this one because this has got orange, but there is orange over here as well. Well, let me just try it. Let me try this one as well. Okay, which one looks better? Which one? Which one? They both look very good. For some reason, I'm drawn to this one more so. I think because there's an actual building and this is a nature, bit of nature. So I think I'm going to go with this one, with the yellow. Okay. All right, let me glue everything down and then I will show you what it looks like. All right, here is where I am. I'm just about to glue this on, this last piece. And then I noticed that there is this spot up here because there's the tear from the crossword puzzle. And that's kind of a big spot. So I want to do some rubber stamping on there. And so I started to think, oh, well, maybe I should put the rubber stamping on before I glue this last piece. So I think that's what I'm going to do. But I don't know what I want to rubber stamp and what color I want to use. I like this one. I like the swirls because there's kind of a swirls on over here. And looking at all of this, I can see that there's yellows and oranges. So I pulled out my yellows and oranges here. So I have cantaloupe, which is this one, and I have this tangelo, which is more of an orange color. So I think I might experiment with those. I have spaces here, here, and here that I want to do something with. So let's see. For sure I want to use this. And I think I want to do an orange with this. So let me try this one. Something like this. Right? Or wait a minute. Or maybe this way. Okay, maybe like that. Okay, that's good. And then what else do I want? Here and here. I have these acrylic stamps. These are from Kathy Holden. I will put the link in the description. I love them because they are signatures and then they are really pretty numbers and then a couple of little words. I like this good work and it would fit very nicely right in here, I believe. And then I thought that I would do this tiny little signature right up here, right there. So now I just need to decide the colors. I'm thinking green, possibly, and also more orange. Maybe I should do orange up here and green here, or the other way around, green and orange. Okay, maybe orange here and then green here and here. Okay, so in that case, let me do orange with this little one first. Okay. And then the signature on the top I will do with green. There we go. Okay, so now I can glue this back on. Okay, that's it. All right, so what do we have next week? We have a geometric shape. So in this example, this text is in a geometric shape. So look for something that's, has an obvious geometric shape to it. But if you cannot find anything, don't forget that you can take your scissors and cut something out, something entirely different. Cut it into a geometric shape. This, for example, is in a geometric shape if you take the diamond. But if you say you have a picture of a rose bush, you can cut out the rose bush in a geometric shape. That would also work. So it doesn't need to be printed in a geometric shape. You can do the cutting to make the shape that you want. Hope that helps. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you the next time.